Hi friends, hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 11th geography, the lesson structure and the physiography and the topic the peninsular plateau, and our topic is the Central Highlands. Central Highlands, these are the high elevated area between the hills of the Aravalli at the west and the east Rajmahal Hills, south at the Satpura Hills. These are the region between. So this region is known as the Central Highlands. This highlands is between the three range of the hills, and their average height between the 600 meter to the 900 meter. If you move towards the west to east direction, so you can find the height. Northern most boundary of the Deccan Plateau. This is the extension of the Deccan Plateau, and this is also the area where the Central Highlands can be seen also. Vindhya range and the Kaimur range are the two ranges which are at the north of Satpura hills, and you can see well. Chota Nagpur Plateau, these are at the south of the Central Highlands, and at the Rajmahal Hills, these are the boundary line between the Anglong regions, Anglong Plateau in the Assam region, Meghalaya, Anglong Plateau. These are the boundary between these areas. So these are the Rajmahal Hills. So that is very important things. The Central Highland, these are the relict mountain highly denuded from the discontinuous range. Means this area which is very discontinuous in the hills, and these hills are not very in the continuous forms. That is very important things. Jaisalmer, the extension of the peninsular plateau. Jaisalmer, it is the region in the west of the India in the Rajasthan Thar desert, where it is the western extension of the plateau region. And sand ridge, which are the kind of shape of the green sand or the sand dunes which are formed in this area. So these are known as the Burchans or the Burchans. Metamorphic rocks which are also found there in this region, and there you can find the marble, slate, genesis are the types of these metamorphic rocks which are found in this region, and over these rocks there are also some concentration of the marble business. 700 to 1000 meter the length you can see from the north and northeastern direction if you move towards. So these are the Central Highlands. They are very important, and in this region you can find many of the other rivers, because you can find some rivers such as the Banas rivers, Ken rivers, Chambal rivers you can find in this area. Mostly the Banas river, which is the rivers which is coming from Rajasthan, and this river also go through in the Central Highlands. Then Ken rivers and Chambal river you can find there, and some river also you can find there in this region, like the Betwa rivers, Yamuna rivers. These are the rivers which are go through, and these are the tributaries of the Yamuna river, and Yamuna is the tributaries of the Ganga river. That is very important information, and you should keep in the mind. So our topic Peninsular Plateau, this is the last part of the Peninsular Plateau, the Central Highlands, and we will see also some other topics one by one. So student, if you understand all these topics in the Peninsular Plateau, so you can also comment, and if any problem you can also talk to me in the comment, through the comment. So hope student you enjoy this video lecture. Now I want to tell something, the preparation of the board exam which are very soon. Board exam, and you have seen and you also heard the duration of the board exam will start from the first week of the May, and it will extend up to the first week of the June. So in these times this is very important period when the student have to prepare very fast, because they have a very limited time. So some points I want to raise today, because preparation must be very fruitful. So I want to give the suggestion to all the students that in the history lesson they should prepare the one word answer, mostly in the both lesson Europe and the India, where they have to frame near about 100 question for the one word answer or the one line answer. And even I will also advise that in the geography all the students should prepare the one word answer. In the geography must be we'll say 100 answer, we'll say from the geography lesson, all the geography lesson, and civics and you'll say economics, where all the students have to prepare near about 50 question from the civics and economics. So these are my suggestions from my side, and I also give some advice how to prepare well and how to learn well in the board exam, and what type of the we'll say tricks and tips which can bring the good marks in the board exam. So next video I will tell all these things very soon. So student, keep watching all my videos and give the comment if it is necessary. So you'll say spread my videos and share my videos and like my video. Thank you student to listen me and watching me.